Hi, in this video I want to talk to you about something I mentioned in my video about Trilby, and I talked about how the program has a spell checker, but it's not very good. It misses a lot of mistakes. And if you can see here this text, this example text that I wrote, if I use this spell checker, you'll see that it's not going to find any mistakes. And we need something to check our text. It doesn't matter if it's a screenplay or some other text, to make sure it's free of mistakes, and proofreading can be very expensive. So in this video I'm going to show you a solution to that. The first thing we need to do is copy the text, and in Trilby you can do this by just selecting the text, or if you want to select the whole thing, just press Ctrl A and then go to the edit menu here. And notice that in Trilby, in order to sort of export a text by copying it and moving it to and pasting it into another program, you need to select this option, copy system, because otherwise if you use copy or just Ctrl C inside Trilby, it's not going to copy the text so you can paste it in outside of Trilby. So you need to go and select this option, and I choose the unformatted option, and then we need to go and look at this program that I'm going to show you. It's called Grammarly, and this program has also a paid version. I use only the free version of it, and it still does a pretty good job at removing most of the mistakes in my writing. So in order to paste here, just use Ctrl V, and the text will come here, and the program will start checking over here for mistakes, and you can see it found critical issues and some advanced issues. Now in order to see what exactly these advanced issues are, you need to upgrade, but you can see what they're about in general. I'll show you this in a moment. First, let's examine the text over here. The first sentence here is, if you want to come, I can send the car. Obvious mistake here. Remember, Trilby didn't catch this. Here it is caught, and this is the free version of the program, so you don't pay anything for this. You can just click on it to correct the mistake. Now let's move on to the third sentence here. Again, an obvious mistake. Stop it, John. Come here. We have a comma over here. You can, by the way, just type it if you don't want to click over here. Now the fourth sentence here, John steps rolling and gets up. Now the program gets a little confused here, and if I click to expand this, you can see there's an explanation here. The singular verb gets does not appear to agree with the plural subject steps. So this is confusing the program. This is not correct, but it's still going to make you look at it and see where your mistake is. So obviously the mistake here is we need to correct this to John stops rolling and gets up. And now the program is checking again. All these mistakes disappeared. We still have advanced issues. And now I'm going to show you something that I forgot to show you at first. I'm going to paste the text with the mistakes again here, and then I'm going to show you what happens if you click on the advanced issues here. So this is what you're going to get. I took a screenshot because I didn't want to open the browser right now. If you click on the advanced, it will take you to a browser. You need to have an account, login, and then look at this. So this was the initial report here, that we have issues that concern grammar and punctuation. You can see here more detailed explanation of what those mistakes are. Now let's go back to the program and let's quickly fix these again. And now it's going to detect just 2 advanced issues. And if I click on this, again, I have a screenshot for this. This is what's going to appear. Now, in order to see exactly what these issues are, you need to pay and upgrade to the premium version. But still, even with this here, we can still kind of figure out what's going on and try to find the mistakes in our text. So you can see here what this is. Let's go back to the program. Now the only mistake I can see here is in the second sentence. John, a small child, is rolling in the grass. I think there has to be a comma here and here. And let's see what's going on right now. It's going to check again. It still found one advanced issue. Again, because it's a free version of the program, it's not going to show us exactly where this is, so we need to look. In the first sentence here, we have a comma right here. So if you place the comma here, if you want to come, I can send the car. You'll see that now it's not going to find any mistakes. Now the program is far from perfect, but I've done a lot of research, and I have to say that this is probably one of the best solutions to find mistakes in your screenplay or in other text. And it is kind of expensive if you need to pay it a monthly fee for it. It's about $30, which I think is too much for something like this. Of course, if you are making money from your writing, you should definitely do it, but they offer big discount if you get an annual plan, and also if you just sign up for the free version, they will often send you emails for very big discounts to get to the premium version. But even the free version does the job. I'm doing it with the free version. I actually opened the browser so I can show you something else. Initially, when you visit the website grammarly.com, you will be offered to add it to Chrome. If you're using another browser, it will probably offer it to add it to that browser, so have that in mind. Now, if you wanted to have it as a desktop app on Windows, like I was showing you that, just make sure you go all the way down here and get to the products, where you can see there is a Grammarly native app. So if you click on that, it will take you to a page where you can get it for Windows. Now, I'm not sure about this, but I'm using Windows, and it's possible that it's detecting that and it's offering me Grammarly for Windows. If you're using Mac, it's possible that it's going to offer it for Mac. I can't be sure of this. So they're kind of customizing the experience for everybody instead of just having a page where you can see all the versions. I think that would be better, but still have this in mind. I prefer having a standalone app for my desktop instead of having it in my browser. Also, you can see here there's other products that they offer. So pretty useful program. Definitely check it out if you're writing a screenplay or anything else, to make sure your writing is free of mistakes as much as it can be. So that's it for this video. I hope it was useful. If it was, make sure to like it, leave a comment, tell me what you think about this. If you are new, make sure to visit my channel for more videos and subscribe. That's it for this one. Bye for now.